The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Grady County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, extreme northwestern McLean County in central Oklahoma, southern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, and extreme southeastern Canadian County in central Oklahoma until 12:45 a.m. At 12:05 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles northeast of Chickasha, or 25 miles west of Norman, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Tuttle around 12:15 a.m. Newcastle and Mustang around 12:25 a.m. Moore around 12:35 a.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Oklahoma City, Midwest City, Del City, Spencer, Tacoma Park, and Forest Park. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 111 and 133. Interstate 40 between mile markers 136 and 176. Interstate 44 between mile markers 89 and 132. Interstate 235 between mile markers 0 and 5. Highway 62 between mile markers 171 and 199. Highway 77 between mile markers 99 and 101. Highway 3 between mile markers 61 and 65. Highway 81 between mile markers 104 and 109. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. At 5 a.m., a developing large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Mustang, or 10 miles west of Moore, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. A tornado emergency may be needed if trends continue. The tornado will be near Moore around 12:30. Violent tornado impacting Valley Brook in southern Oklahoma City. Tornado emergency for southern Oklahoma City. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for southern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma until 1 a.m. At 12:30 a.m., a confirmed large and violent tornado was observed over Valley Brook, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for southern Oklahoma City. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Del City, Midwest City, and Forest Park around 12:35 a.m. Tacoma Park, Spencer, and Choctaw around 12:35 a.m. Hara and Jones around 12:45 a.m. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 117 and 130. Interstate 40 between mile markers 152 and 164. Interstate 44 between mile markers 113 and 115. Interstate 235 between mile markers 0 and 3. Highway 62 between mile markers 191 and 208. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. A large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation.